Good morning friends. Today I am going to explain how to install SQL Server 2016 software. Now I am going to software E drive. Here SQL Server 2016 enterprise version is there. Double click on that one and here setup. Right click on that one, run as administrator. Now click on yes. Now it is loading. Here in the second option click on installation and in here first option new SQL Server standalone installation or add features to an existing installation. Click on that one. Here already product key is there. Click on next and I accept the license terms. This is checkbox. Click on that one and click on next. Click on show details. All are completed and use Microsoft Update to check for the updates. Click on checkbox and click on next and it will download this file and it will install. Click on next. Download set of files in progress. The file is downloading. File download completed. It will take few seconds. Now this is the these four are passed and this is warning. No problem. You can click on next. And here we need to select the all the features. Simply select all. And for normal developer for practice purpose, 3 files are not required. Now I am unchecking those 3 files. First one is R services in database. Second one Polybase query service for external data. Third one R server standalone. These 3 features not required. Okay, so uncheck first this one and this one. Click on next. Now you can use the default instance only, default instance, and click on next. Now this option is not required, so click on next. And here in SQL Server it supports 2 authentication modes. One is Windows authentication mode and second one is mixed mode, that is SQL Server authentication and Windows authentication. If you want you can use this one, but this is not required mostly. So for practice purpose, this is enough. Windows authentication mode. Okay. And here click on add current user. Now current user added and click on next. Here also select second option tabular mode and click on add current user and click on next. And here second option install only, click on next. And here add current user, click on next. And here controller name, whatever it may be, you can give. Now I am giving my name only, Venkat. Okay, Venkat ready. Now click on next. So all files are came. Now click on install option. This is the final step. Click on install. Based on the system configuration, it will take 5 minutes to 30 minutes. See here, complete your SQL Server 2016 installation completed successfully with product updates. Okay, this is enough. So we are successfully installed the SQL Server 2016 software. Thank you. So we need to click on close option. Okay, click on into option. That's it for the SQL Server installation. Now I'm going to tell how to install the SQL Server Management Studio. Okay, here SQL Server SSMS means SQL Server Management Studio. How to install this software? Okay, right click on the software, run as administrator. It is loading. Here click on yes. Now like this it will come. Click on install. It is showing loading packages. Please wait. This is the package progress and each and every file installing. Overall progress is this one. Now it is finally completed and click on restart option. Then the software will work fine. Okay. Thank you for watching.